Welcome to my channel. Today get ready to be blown away because we're stepping inside one of the most jaw-dropping luxury machines ever built. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor decker motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving mansion worth a mind-blowing $10 million. From its futuristic design to a double-deck layout that feels straight out of a sci-fi dream, this Kenworth T2000 redefines what it means to travel in style. Buckle up. You won't believe what's waiting inside this beast on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor decker motorhome is pure engineering excellence wrapped in luxury. Its massive chrome grille, sleek aerodynamic curves, and LED headlight setup make it look like a rolling super yacht on highways. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber panels, it's both strong and surprisingly light for its size. Step closer, and you'll notice its two-level design. The lower deck for living and the upper deck for pure luxury comfort. Every inch has been crafted with precision, from the diamond-stitched leather seats to the panoramic glass roof that turns every trip into a five-star experience. Now, let's step into the kitchen, and believe me, you've never seen one like this before inside a motorhome. It's like walking into a gourmet restaurant on wheels. The marble countertops shimmer under soft ambient lighting. There's a full-size smart refrigerator, dual induction cooktops, a built-in espresso machine, and even a touchscreen control panel that syncs with your phone. The kitchen island doubles as a dining counter with retractable stools, perfect for a quick meal or a romantic dinner under the stars. Everything is automated, from the faucet to the exhaust fans, all controlled by voice command. It's luxury cooking taken to a whole new level. Moving on to the bedroom, this space is pure relaxation heaven. The master suite sits on the upper deck with 360-degree windows giving you panoramic views of wherever you park. A king-sized floating bed, temperature-controlled mattress, and underbed LED glow lighting create the perfect ambiance. The walls are covered with soundproof padding and integrated speakers that play ambient sounds or your favorite tracks. You'll even find a mini fireplace built into the wall, adding that cozy five-star hotel feel. There's a private walk-in closet with motion sensor lighting, because in this motorhome, luxury never takes a backseat. Now, let's check out the bathroom. And yes, even that feels royal. Step inside, and you're greeted with marble floors, golden fixtures, and a rainfall shower system that adjusts to your preferred water temperature automatically. There's a built-in steam function, smart mirrors with LED display for news and weather, and a Japanese-style heated toilet with self-cleaning tech. Every detail whispers elegance and innovation. The scent system refreshes the air automatically with your chosen fragrance. Luxury doesn't get more personal than this. But wait, we're not done. Let's revisit the 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor decker motorhome again, this time with the lights dimmed for its evening mode. As night falls, the entire cabin transforms into a futuristic suite. Ambient LED strips illuminate the ceiling like stars, and the digital panels shift into relaxation mode. The suspension system automatically levels itself, turning this giant into a steady, peaceful lounge no matter where it's parked. This isn't travel, it's transformation. Back to the kitchen, now glowing with soft blue lighting, you'll notice how the motorhome's smart assistant preps your coffee and adjusts the interior climate. Every appliance syncs with your digital dashboard, giving total control through a central holographic display. Even the aroma system syncs with your dinner, fresh, futuristic, and flawless. The bedroom at night feels like a private suite aboard a luxury jet. The smart blinds lower with a whisper, and the ceiling turns into a projection screen. Watch movies, stargaze, or even simulate sunrise. There's underfloor heating, air purification, and even a built-in massage system in the bed. Imagine waking up to the world's best views, from deserts to mountain peaks, all while wrapped in unmatched comfort. And once again, the bathroom proves why this Kenworth is in a league of its own. A spa-grade shower, digital aromatherapy, and even a mood-based light system that changes color according to your voice or music. You'll forget you're inside a motorhome. It feels like a luxury suite at a 7-star resort. Finally, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 double-floor decker motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of modern innovation. Designed for the elite traveler, it blends power, comfort, and advanced technology in ways no one thought possible. From its intelligent drive assist to its energy-efficient hybrid engine and solar roofing, every detail screams excellence. It's not just trending, it's leading the future of motorhome luxury. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living in this $10 million dream on wheels? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here luxury always rolls higher.